Get an ad server for your website using these 9 platforms. Ad servers are transforming the online advertising ecosystem by improving the complete media selling and buying process. They automate and accelerate the complete process and provide a single platform to run and manage your ads. In this video, we'll discuss the best ad servers for your site so you can benefit from these advanced ad tech technologies. 1. Google for Publishers. Whether you are a blogger, developer, designer, writer, or any creative professional, Google for Publishers can help you earn good money from your craft. It will help you find the right audience and boost your business. 2. Kevel. Build a custom ad platform and high revenue with Kevel's API and get a core infrastructure for ad serving, reporting, and targeting. 3. OpenX. OpenX can drive revenue by helping you close more deals with the most prominent marketers across the globe. It's for publishers where you can connect with various global businesses and bring more growth opportunities. 4. Broadstreet. Get an excellent ad manager for your digital and direct ad sales with Broadstreet. Every media company, niche website, and local publisher can engage in direct ad sales from the first meeting to user retention. 5. SpringServe. Control your video advertising with the independent ad serving platform, SpringServe, which is built for video businesses and OTT. This ad serving ecosystem is great for various businesses, including trade desks, DSPs, in-app developers, SSPs, syndicators, publishers, and more. 6. AdButler. AdButler is an advertisement technology infrastructure for your online content. Businesses like startups and large companies use AdButler's APIs and software to power digital advertising operations. 7. Revive Adserver. Get the world's popular, open source, and free ad serving platform with Revive Adserver. It enables ad networks, advertisers, and publishers to serve ads on websites, video players, and apps and collect statistics like clicks, conversions, and impressions. 8. Epom. If you want a customized white label ad server, build a branded ad serving solution with Epom. Instead of creating everything from scratch, it can help you customize each layout detail and grow with its advanced ad serving features. 9. iBILLBOARD. iBILLBOARD solves all the needs of publishers, from ad sales to campaign management. It knows how many tasks you have to take care of and offers reporting tools, advertising formats, and solutions to manage your inventory. Conclusion. Ad servers are great tools to manage all types of ads and deliver them to the target audience. And if you want to experience the best service, you can choose a hosted ad server for your website to display relevant ads and optimize your campaigns. Thanks for watching.